it is Cheap Nails helping you stay frugal with nail art. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I prep my nails for nail polish. Obviously, you got to prep your nails before you paint them so your nail polish lasts longer. So let's get right onto the video. Okay, the first thing I always do is I take a cotton ball and I take some nail polish remover, and I never use pure acetone. I always use the Nourishing nail polish remover, and it is enriched with vitamin E, which I love because it makes it so much easier to push back your cuticles. It softens them up, and I just love this nail polish remover. And now I take a wood stick and I push my cuticles back and get rid of all the dead skin around it. Now, I don't know why it looks like I'm doing it so rough on camera, but I'm not doing it rough. You should not be rough. You can even use your fingernail, but whatever it is, be gentle. And now after that is all done, I usually take my crystal nail file, which I love, and I shape my nails, and I usually shape my nails once a week. But right here, I don't think I really need to go hard and shape them. They look pretty good, so I'm gonna leave them looking like that. As you can see, my pinky is broken, so I just file it straight. Now for the part that's my most important part of my whole routine, I take a Q-tip and I take some white vinegar and I wipe that all over my nails and the underside of my nails, because I do not have a nail dehydrator, but vinegar works great for a nail dehydrator, and it cleans your nail. And right here I'm just wiping it off with some toilet paper, and it just cleans your nail and it works great, and it's only $1.50, so I think that's cheap and just awesome and amazing. Now it's time for base coat. Yes, I always apply base coat because obviously you want the nail polish to stay on longer, and base coat protects your natural nail and helps the nail polish adhere to your nail, and it's just wonderful, and I never leave the house without it. I always have base coat on. And I think it's kind of funny because I don't think you guys have ever seen my nails so unpainted, because usually in my nail tutorials they're so painted. It's kind of funny. Anyways, now after that base coat has dried, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting my nails now. And I'm painting my nails all white because I'm getting ready for the nail design, which will be my next video. So yeah, that's how I prep my nails for polish. Tell me down below what you guys think and how you prep your nails. But how I prep my nails, I just love the way that I do it because I feel like my nails are so clean and ready for polish when I am done prepping them. So guys, I hope this helped you out and it gives you just a little bit of help if you're looking to just clean your nails before you put your nail polish on. And I'm so happy to help if it helped you. So guys, tell me what you think down below, and in the next video you'll see why my nails are painted white. I'm getting ready for a nail design, so you guys can tell me what you think down below. Now I'll see you guys later. Bye. Click or tap the screen if you want to see another video, or click or tap the screen to subscribe. Okay, now goodbye.